This will be another short video on the single motor toy that I've been building. I've had time to work on it a little more in the past few weeks. This is the version I showed in the last video. This was all just temporary. These batteries are just ballast. It had a copper ring made from a double-sided PC board to transfer the power from a battery or this controller through the ring, through these brushes to the motor as it turned. This is the version it is in now. I've added the body and a dome and a little pilot in there. He's what shows you which way it's going. I'm operating it with a controller, so I'll show it operating. You select the direction by going in reverse. Wherever the pilot is pointing is the direction it'll go. Forward drives it. And go backwards. I'm operating it with this little switch set up. Now I'll take the dome off and show you the changes I've made to get rid of to change the commutator setup from this ring to something based on these copper or brass tubing. I'll take the top of it off. This is just sitting on there. I believe this is an 80mm diameter globe. This little nut up on top is what holds this in place. It has a small tab in it to key it into this. This runs all the way down to here. Instead of the copper ring and brush setup, I just have these brass rings, and these brushes are just made from paper clips. They seem to work out pretty well. I have them wrapped all the way around to give it a little more flexibility, so it doesn't put as much drag on this mechanism. I also have a little hatch here, just some aesthetic things. There's the wiring to the box, a couple of wheels. They spin pretty freely. This is all 3D printed. I do have a couple of pieces of brass, or one piece of brass right here that runs all the way through, and some screws, but most of it is 3D printed. See if we can get it going again. I'll show it a mechanism. Forward, reverse drives the steering mechanism. Well, that's about all I wanted to show. I'm not sure where I'm going with this yet. It's been a lot of work to get it to this point. I don't know if anybody would ever want to build it or not. I'll think about posting it on Thingiverse. Well, thanks for watching.